At the bottom of your screen has been busy crawling the latest headlines for our weather, including winter storm warnings. We have ice storm warnings in the Sisseton Hills of South Dakota. This winter storm is going to last for days, and that's what will make it so impactful. Look, it's not going to snow or ice heavy the entire time, but first alert weather days have been issued for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for when this storm will bring the greatest impacts to our area. And it's already getting started with some light drizzle, freezing mist out there, and icy roads. So expect the winter storm to begin now. Heavy snow and ice, well, in some areas by morning, but particularly midday on tomorrow and after, things get pretty ridiculous. The wind does increase in our area as we go through Tuesday, and then travel, event, and even livestock impacts, and possibly with all of the ice, some power potential impacts. So by morning, there's going to be some accumulation of ice. Let's get right to the details. First and foremost, we have wet weather showing up at the Home of Economy location in Devils Lake. Now, by around the 10 o'clock hour to 2 in the morning, we're going to see the freezing rain expand, particularly in eastern South Dakota and southeast North Dakota. We could see periods of freezing rain anywhere in our southern counties and maybe briefly even up north, as you saw in the Devils Lake camera out there. So anywhere could get some freezing drizzle tonight, but the accumulating ice by morning will be mainly in our southern and eastern counties. Now that's going to get covered with a layer of slippery snow by the morning hours. This is 7:30 in the morning. The snow will have really just started going. We probably will have some accumulations in south central North Dakota, central South Dakota, and a little bit of accumulation across portions of the Southern Valley. But it just continues to increase in intensity. Check this out where you see the purples or the pinks here. These are heavy bands of snow that could produce 1, 2, or maybe a little bit more inches per hour. That band will lift from south to north as we go through the afternoon. So that Tuesday afternoon drive time is going to coat our icy roads with white, and that mainly will be in North Dakota. Now we will get some snow shifting northward as we head towards Tuesday night. That'll begin the onset of your storm there. So if you start the day going, what storm, Hutch? It's likely going to be on the way. Now look at the wind arrows being yellow. Easterly wind. For those of you with livestock, if you want to prep those livestock for the potential or protection from the winds, it will be coming from the east with periods of heavy snow. Blizzard warnings, by the way, already issued in parts of western South Dakota where the wind is expected to be strong enough. On day 2 here, our confidence in what's going to happen is lower, so keep that in mind, but we will see the potential for this storm to suck in or entrain some dry air. That'll cut off some snowfall, but we will still likely have at least 1, if not 2 bands of moderate to heavy snow persisting throughout the event on Wednesday. So periods of snow continue Wednesday with wind and accumulation. And for some of us from the valley and east, the snow continues all the way to Saturday. So I've put asterisks on these snowfall amounts out here in portions of Minnesota, even though they look at this 2 to 6 in the dark blues, anything in blue, 2 to 6 inches, 5 to 9s in the purple, okay? Anywhere here, going to pick up another few inches of snow as we go between, say, Thursday and Friday. It just won't be as heavy. Anywhere here from the Red River Valley counties of Minnesota to the west, the purple means 5 to 9. So we'll have widespread areas with 5 to 9. We will have spots that get the dry entrainment of air coming in that get cut off a bit, but we're going to have 7 to 15 plus inches of snow. The best chance of that might very well be for you in Lemoore, Cullum, Ellendale, on into western reaches of, say, Sargent and Ransom counties. We'll keep you posted there. That could sneak up into Jamestown and Valley City. Morning ice here, afternoon ice here. Greatest accumulations of ice tomorrow morning in the Sisseton Hills and the I-29 corridor. It's already starting on the radar right there as we speak. Temperatures hovering near freezing, and folks, those wet drops are going to turn into snowflakes as we go towards morning. Gusty winds for your afternoon. Temperatures still near freezing with periods of heavy snow, particularly in the latter half of the day, lasting all day through Wednesday with periods of heavy snow. We will get some breaks as that drier air gets entrained in. The snow showers continue in our area Thursday, even on Friday and Saturday for some of us in our eastern counties as the cold air spills in behind this system. And then it's just quiet and downright nasty cold with sub-zero morning temperatures into early next week. The Valley News Live weather app has been updated with numerous videos on different aspects of this storm. We're going to continue to keep you updated there, and Stacy can get road reports right from the app as well.
So helpful.
Yeah.
For people all over the region. It's just so different, this one.
Yes, it is.
All right, thanks, Hutch. Well, later here at 6, we'll show you how stores have prepared ahead of this winter weather on the way.